Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to fix your 12 volt system fuse. So essentially, if your 12 volts charging ports, or whatever they're called, your sockets in the center console and in the rear center console aren't working, then we're going to be showing you how to fix them. So they're located here is one, and then there is another one for the back seat passengers. Oh, sorry about that, just there. Okay, so that's what we're going to be fixing today. First of all, we're going to pop the bonnet because we're looking for fuse 25 in the under bonnet fuse box. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're here just at the front of the car, and we're just going to open the fuse box. So this is where our fuses are located, and we're looking for number 25, which is here with a little smoking icon. So this relates to this bank of fuses here. Just there's the sort of comparison, and it's that 15 amp fuse just there. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it out and take a look at it and see if it's gone or not. Okay guys, so here is the fuse. It's a tiny little micro fuse, and you might be able to see or not, depending on the light, we've had a little fuse blow out there. So you can see that the filament's broken, and this was because a coin had become stuck in the cigarette lighter, so that's causing it to break. But yeah, so it's a 15 amp fuse located in slot number 25 at the front of the engine bay here. So yeah, that's it guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on the video. Let me know your thoughts on these cars. If you've got one, let me know, and subscribe for plenty more Volvo content. But till next one guys, I'll see you later. Cheers.